Welcome, dear students, to video number 3 for chapter 11 Circle. Let us continue. Arc of the circle. An arc of the circle is any portion of the circumference of the circle. A figure is shown over here. This shows arc of a circle. So, any part of the circumference is known as arc of the circle. Now, there are three types of arcs. Actually, there are two types. First is minor arc, major arc, and when we get half the circle, that's a semicircle. So let's see what's minor arc and major arc. First, let's discuss a semicircle. A semicircle is half a circle. You see this purple colored? This is half a circle, so that is called as semicircle. A major arc is an arc that is larger than a semicircle. So you see this red colored arc? This is more than a semicircle or larger than a semicircle. Hence it is called as major arc. And a minor arc is an arc that is smaller than a semicircle. So this blue colored arc. This is smaller than a semicircle. Hence it is known as minor arc. Central angle and the measure of an arc. Now, in this particular figure, O is the vertex of angle AOB. An angle whose vertex is the center of the circle is called central angle. So, this becomes central angle because its vertex is the center. So, I have angle AOB as central angle. The angle AOB in figure is the central angle corresponding to arc AZB. Now, this angle corresponding to arc AZB, because AOB I can also take it as this. This is also AOB. But which one am I speaking in particular about? This angle. Hence, the angle corresponding to arc AZB. The measure of the angle subtended at the center by an arc is taken to be the measure of the excuse me. Now, the measure of the angle subtended by the center at the center by an arc is taken to be the measure of the arc. So, whatever is the measure of this angle is the measure of this particular arc. The measure of minor arc in the figure given alongside. Now, let's look at this figure. In the figure given alongside, the measure of angle AOQ. This angle is 70 degrees. Therefore, measure of this minor arc AYQ is 70 degrees. Just now we saw whatever is the measure of this angle is the measure of this arc. Now here the angle is 70. Therefore, measure arc AYQ is also 70 degrees. Now let's see the major arc. This was minor arc. Now let's see the other. Now measure of major arc will be 360 degrees minus measure of the corresponding minor arc. Now why have I taken 360 degrees? Because the measure of entire circle is 360 degrees. So entire circle minus measure of corresponding minor arc. In this case, the minor arc is 70 degrees. So 360 minus 70 is 290. So what is the measure of major arc? Measure of major arc AXQ is 290. It is shown over here. So this entire arc is 290 degrees. Measure of a circle. When the radius OA of a circle turns anticlockwise, as shown in the figure alongside this figure, through a complete angle, It turns through an angle that measures 360 degrees. Its end point A completes one circle. The angle subtended at the center by the circle is 360 degrees. Therefore, the measure of complete circle is 360 degrees. Measure of semicircular arc. Now look at the figure and determine measures of semicircular arcs AXB and AYB. Now if the complete circle is 360 degrees, then semicircle is half of it. So half of 360 is, yes, you're right, 180. Therefore, arc AYB is 180 degrees and arc AXB is also 180 degrees. So what did we learn in this particular video? The measure of a minor arc is equal to its corresponding central angle. The measure of a major arc is equal to 360 degrees minus measure of corresponding minor arc. And the measure of a semicircular arc is equal to 180 degrees. My dear students, we will stop here and we will meet in the next video. Till then, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.